It's in Dhaka. Oh, really? It's in Dhaka? I was really excited. I rang them up. It was in 2013. I rang them up and I said them, are you conducting MRCOG classes? They were like, we are sorry, madam. Right now we don't have that course, but we're planning for it. I said them, please start it soon. Maybe one of you received the phone. I said, please start them soon. I'll be the first student. And they were so regular and they were so kind. They used to convey in every way through messages and everything. I think every one of you are receiving such messages. It's really helpful when the courses are being started, which classes are being taken. That's really helpful. They said me that the classes are starting on March and I didn't delay. I just came, I got admitted and I came every week. I used to come from Chittagong to do the classes. It was worthful. Today I'm standing here just because of those pains that have taken, and trust me, this really works. Just follow the guidelines, and the induction class that's taken by Shumanta Kumar sir, it's the jewel of the whole course. Don't dare miss that class. The tips he gives, success is a 7-letter word, pass, pooling, prayer, everything, every line is important. Just write them in a piece of paper, place them in front of your study table. I used to see that daily, sir. Honestly, daily, I place them in front of my study table. I used to see that daily. Keeping that in mind, I followed everything step by step. Our excellent mentors from our senior teachers, Shaheen Chaudhry ma'am and Nasreen ma'am, all the wonderful mentors here who passed from SS Academy, their experiences are really worthwhil and very important. And the yellow books that we get are sufficient, more than sufficient. If one can complete that for 3 times, as sir says, everything is sir's word actually. I followed them from first line to the last line. If you complete that for 3 times, you don't need anything else. That's more than enough to pass. Complete that, follow the question bank here. Honestly speaking, I didn't finish full question bank, but still I passed. That's more than enough. You don't need to run behind great books, great writers, nothing. Only the yellow books are sufficient. So I would like to thank you, sir, so much for organizing such an institute in Bangladesh, or else we could have run from country to country and then we could have been tired, and I don't know whether we would have been successful or not, like we are today in such an early stage. We are evolving doctors, and by now we can say that we have completed MRCOG Pabna. It's really great and honor for us. And finally, I would like to thank really my family, without whose support coming to this stage isn't possible. I don't know our MD of Southern Medical College, Dr. Nurul Alam sir, he would be listening to this honor, but still I'm really thankful to him because he gave me this opportunity to study in a medical college and place the name doctor in front of my name. So thank you, sir, too, and all the categories, all the team members, excellent job. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to you.